And turn the volume down a little bit from the movie.
Oh, of course.
Okay, so this is,
Movie to show me how to do that.
yeah.
Oh, that's good.
So this is taking apart and okay, cut, action. This is replacing the battery inside of the Santa Claus light. So we'll just remove that. Then I'm using a knife here. You don't necessarily have to, but that should make it easier to split this thing open or not. We'll speed this up. We'll speed the film up so we don't have to sit through this. And it's held together by these little posts, and then there's glue on top. Anyway, you'll see the battery holder is held together with these Phillips screwdrivers. So I have a little screwdriver for the screws to take them out. Oh, there was only one in there. So you got gypped. Oh, that one just fell out. Never mind. Okay. And then there's the battery. Hopefully you can see that. And we'll pop that out. You can see how corroded it is. And then I'll look it up, but we should clean off the corrosion that's evident there inside of that. And then when you get the new battery arrives, we'll just pop it, assuming this is a new battery. And by the way, this is called 2/3, 2/3 AAA battery, 1.2 volt. You can look on the label. But so then when the new one arrives, pop it in. You probably don't even need both of these screws. You can just do one. You see how I'm doing that? Mm-hmm. You screw that in, and then line this guy back up, and then stick that pipe where you can't smoke it, and la-di-da. Okay, this is the end. Hit subscribe.